is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking you about your experience via email or in the United app. I'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. You can quickly find the baggage claim information by opening the United app, selecting flight status, and entering the flight number. Baggage claim information will be under your arrival gate information. From all of us at United Express and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for flying with us today. We're sorry for the late arrival and we appreciate your patience and understanding. It's been our pleasure serving you and we look forward to seeing you again on another United flight. Have a great day. To all customers, welcome to using the jet bridge. For those of you who checked your bag with a green tag, your bag will be delivered to you on the jet bridge. For all other customers, you may pick up your checked baggage in the baggage room area. Thank you for your cooperation.
I just want to take the time to say a little message and send you off with something to think about. I know delays is frustrating and it takes time out of your day, but just think about it. We made it here safely. We're here on the ground and everybody is getting to continue on with their travels. Just be grateful that we woke up this morning and that we get to continue on with our day. Whenever you get a chance, just say you love your family and friends, because you just never know, especially after the event on January 29th. So just be grateful that we're here, we're safe, and sometimes a delay in your plans is protection from unforeseen things. You never know if you're sitting next to somebody who's going to say goodbye to somebody, or if they're coming from saying goodbye to somebody. So just take that time out to show compassion and love one another and respect one another. Have a great day and be safe.